Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to cover a quick and easy tutorial on how to modify an order in your client portal. First step, log into your client portal and access your home page. If you've placed an order and you wish to modify that order, first step is to select the trade button, which is located here along the main options on your home page. So I'm going to click on trade. This opens up a drop-down list. You can see there's various different options here. If we want to modify an order, we're going to go into orders and trades. Once I've clicked on orders and trades, you can see this opens up a list of all the recent activity, all the trades and orders I've made. This here is the order that I'd like to modify. So I'm going to go to the right-hand side. You can see there's the three blue dots on the right-hand side here. I'm going to click on the three blue dots, and you can see here this opens up different options for us: cancel, modify, quote. To modify the order, simply hit the modify button in the middle, which I'm going to do now. And you can see this has opened up my order ticket. All the information which I've entered previously is all editable. So I'm going to edit the limit price like so, make whatever changes I wanted to make to my order. Once I'm done and I'm happy, everything's as I want it to be, you can see down in the bottom right-hand corner is the submit modify order. I'm going to click on that. And you can see now my order's been submitted and modified. And it's as simple as that. I'm going to close down my ticket using the X in the top left-hand corner. Back to my home page using the home button in the top left. And there you have it. You've now successfully modified an order in your client portal. Very simple and easy process. Hope you found the tutorial helpful. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.